welcome back to Brothers Build Fest. You want to give a guess what we built? Ah! Ah! Hi guys, welcome back to Brothers Build Fest. And in today's video, we're going to build a sled. Yeah.
Okay, boys, check it out. Hey, how about we build a sled out of these here skis Mom and Dad picked up the other day?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll build like a two-man sled. We've got some lumber, and we'll go get some bolts at the store and put it together. Go sledding Monday. Yeah?
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, so we're going to use this Doug fir. It's got good resiliency, good flex. We've got some 12-foot boards here. We're going to cut in half and make the basic frame.
Not exactly.
How long is it?
Not exactly 12 feet.
Use your finger as a brake. There you go. There we go. Okay, Dave, draw your square edge. Or your straight line, rather. Remember how I showed you. Here, I'll be your other hand.
Thank you.
Sometimes you have to have a third hand. Two and
a half. Two and 3/4. I was gonna say that.
Wow, that's pretty good. Over. He's gonna come your way. There you go, Al. I knew you could do it. You're gonna support that? Good, you remember. Don't hold it up. Let it fall into your hands. Al, take your hands off of it. Yep, let it set onto your hands. Go for it, Dave.
That's hard.
I'm just gonna break these loose to make it easier for you. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
There you go. It's okay. It's free. It's clear. There you go. Down and straight. Straight and down. Perfect. This cedar, it's super lightweight. This could be our decking.
Lightweight.
Nice. That was perfect.
Let's speed things up a bit. Yeah, let's go fast.
racer. Let's show it. Got a nice pulling rope, and it's actually a built-in back support.
Yep.
Handrails, cedar, nice lightweight.
And we can do something secret on the bottom if we would like.
Do some, maybe some artwork.
Oh yeah. Scaffold.
Nice. Good job, boys.
Test drive for our very first snow sled. Let's go. Okay.
He's still going. How was it?
Awesome.
To pull this.
Watch out! Watch out, watch out!
Ow, get out of the way, bro.
Yeah, surf's up deep. I'll see you in the next video. Comment what we should film next. Thanks for watching. Watch out for our new video. The other sled we made is so cool. Bye. Subscribe. Subscribe to our channel.
Oh, you okay, sweetie? Was that fun?